So then the advocate helped us, and then we got a stay order that day itself. And it was amazing. What I'm trying to say is that affirmations and the faith I had, because yeah, for me also, I would like to say it's a success story kind of thing. Last week, what happened was one of the vendors had gone legal, and it was like immediate execution, attaching all our assets, company vehicles, sealing of the office, and everything. And it was like crazy. And in the office, like I was, even when I'm saying now, I'm getting goosebumps all over. Like it was immediate execution. Like, we didn't understand because it was the court thing came in Arabic. So then when we spoke to the advocate, and then he told us that it is immediate execution, which can happen within 7 days. So then I said, if we are going to lose the office, and then the rest of the vendors will come to know, clients will come to know, all the running projects will stop, and it is all going to be a mess. And, and then it was almost evening. Then we all were panicking. I came home, and I didn't know what to do next. So then the advocate helped us, and then we got a stay order that day itself. And it was amazing. What I'm trying to say is that affirmations and the faith I had, because immediately I thought, let me talk to my mentor, Dr. Vinita. And I just called her, and everything changed. Then she helped me. She told me, ma'am, let's make some affirmations. And then we made affirmations, and then she told me, put it on the loop mode in the music player, and then keep listening to it, keep repeating it till you sleep. And then I just put it, and I fell asleep. Early morning, I wake up around 4:30, 4:45, and then again I listened to it till I reached office. I was continuously listening, and I was also doing a lot of other affirmations which all wanted to, what I wanted to happen that day. So that day we had a small payment coming in. Immediately morning, me and my partner, we met an advocate, and then we spoke, and then he said, okay, actually we had given payments, but in spite of that, I don't know, because I told you that I lost my husband. So I think they were not very sure that we will be giving them the payment. We didn't have any intention of cheating any of the vendors, but in spite of the payments, two of them we had given last month, they had gone legal, that too with immediate execution. So then the advocate helped us, and then we got a stay order that day itself. And it was amazing. What I'm trying to say is that affirmations and the faith I had, because I didn't have another option. What will happen if they seal and they take over the vehicles and everything? Then I cannot do anything without the company. So overnight it happened. The very next day when I went to office, we got the payment, and then we met the. It was like by afternoon, like around 2:30 or 3, everything was settled, and we were all at peace. This overnight, I'm telling you, I cannot believe the how faith can, so, because I didn't have another option, so the only option was to believe. So I kept repeating, I believe I can, I believe I can. That is only affirmation. I remember the first day when I spoke to you also, sir, you told me this affirmation, which I keep repeating every day. And even from the YouTube I listened to, that I am the affirmations, right? That has helped me like anything. Every day I listen to the Stranger Secret and this I am, and that has brought about a lot of changes from where I started. The first day when I spoke to you, I was like all over the place. Now I know, like, I'm focused, and the faith and everything. And Dr. Vinita, I'm so happy to say that I've got such a good mentor. The way she helps me is like, I cannot say. And that overnight, I never expected that to happen. I said everything is going. Now I don't know what, I cannot do anything. But that whole night I was like, next day it all happened. The faith and the affirmations has helped me like anything. And I'm so happy to say that I joined this, though I'm not a lifetime membership. I will soon, let things happen, and I will definitely become a lifetime membership. I know from where I started. I hope you know, sir. So I'm still waiting. So, but I know, I'm sure, like, I will achieve a lot of things in life. So thank you so much, and this is my small
Wonderful, wonderful, Sheenaji. I'm so, so happy. Thank you for trusting me on that call. And
yes,
that's the thing, sometimes people just back off for whatever reason, but you trusted me and immediately you took that decision. I really
yes,
thank you for this, that you gave me this chance to serve you. And Vinita ji is one of the best. And I told you
yes,
that and all mentors are the best, but your trust. And this is actually the example of let go, let God.
yes,
You
yes,
do everything else. No logic, no reasoning, no willpower. You just let go, let God. And
Yeah, I
that
didn't have an option, sir. I didn't have an option because what will happen now? So then I just had to, I said, no, this has to happen. That's it. This has to happen. So that's it.
brilliant. So this is actual real demonstration of let go, let God, and I'm so happy for you. Everybody unmute and say, Sheena ji, you are a think and grow rich champion.
You are a
Sheena
think
ji,
and
you
grow
are
rich.